Salam, mənim adım Sevdadır. My name is Sevda, and today we're going to look at a couple of dialogues and learn how to say "How are you" in Azerbaijani language. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a few dialogues, and after each one I will stop and we can discuss it. Salam, necəsən? Yaxşıyam, sən necəsən? Sağ ol, yaxşıyam. Okay, so this first dialogue is the most common informal way of asking how are you. Salam, necəsən? Hi, how are you? Yaxşıyam, sən necəsən? Good, and how are you? Sağ ol, yaxşıyam. Thank you, I'm good. So this is when you're using sən, necəsən. So this is when you're talking to peers or someone that you've known for a long time or family member. Let's move to the second one. Salam, necəsiz? Yaxşıyam, siz necəsiz? Sağ olun, mən də yaxşıyam. So the second one is the exact copy of the first one. The only difference is that you're saying siz instead of san. So you say siz when you're talking to someone who is older than you or someone that you don't know very well. So it's salam, necəsiz? Hi, how are you? Yaxşıyam, siz necəsiz? I'm good, and how are you? Sağ olun, yaxşıyam. Thank you, I'm good. Okay, let's move to the third dialogue. Salam, nə var, nə yox? Hər şey yaxşıdır, sizdə işlər necədir? Bizdə də hər şey yaxşıdır. So, over here, nə var, nə yox, nə var, nə yox is pretty much translated like what's up or what's been going on. And you can answer to that and say hər şey yaxşıdır. Hər şey yaxşıdır. Everything is good. And then sizdə işlər necədir and how are things with you? So you can say siz instead of səndə, meaning not necessarily meaning that you're talking to someone politely, but maybe addressing the whole family, because when you're talking to someone, maybe you're asking how are things with you and your family? Bizdə də hər şey yaxşıdır. Bizdə də hər şey yaxşıdır. Everything is good with us too. And again, that means that you're talking about yourself and your family. Okay, dialogue 4. Salam, işlər necə gedir? Salamatçılıqdır. Sizdə nə var, nə yox? Yaxşıdır, pis deyil. So in this one, işlər necə gedir? How are things going? That's probably more of an informal way. Okay, this is an interesting word. Salamatçılıqdır. 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 Comes from the word salamat, which means healthy, well, so that pretty much means that everything is good, everything is okay, everyone's healthy. Salamatçılıqdır. And again, sizdə nə var, nə yox? And how are things with you? What's up with you? Not necessarily meaning that siz is polite, but meaning that you and your family. Yaxşıdır, good. Pis deyil, not bad. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you use that and you ask someone how they're doing. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and you can comment, you can share my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Sağ olun, görüşərik.